Back to Line Dance with Cristi Ann. Yes, we can. We're going to learn an old song, but a good one that is done a lot to this day, and it's called Chicken Fried. Great song. So it's a 32 count, 2-wall dance. No tags, no restarts. Here we go. 8. First, step together, go the other way. 2 of these to the right, 1 to the left. 2 to the right, 1 to the left. So it's a step together, go the other way, step together, go the other way. I call it a double and a single and a double and a single and a double. So it starts with our right foot going to our 3 o'clock wall. We'll do step together. So it's right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left. Good. So first 8 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Second 8, left foot's free. We're going to go towards the 9 o'clock wall to our left, and we do a stomp, behind, side, cross, and another one. Left, right behind, left to the side, right, cross, then a step, touch. Okay, let's try that again. So we just did our step together, left foot's free. Second 8, stomp, behind, side, cross, stomp, behind, side, cross, step, touch. Good. Okay, counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. One more time with counts. Going towards the 9 o'clock wall, starting with our left foot with counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Third 8. A rolling grapevine to the right. So right, left, right, touch. A rolling grapevine to the right. Then we do a regular grapevine to the left. Left, right, left, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 8. Heel to the front, toe to the back, and a little turn towards the back on your left foot. So it's right heel, front, right toe back, turn, put your weight on your right foot, then turn back on your left foot. And then do a pivot with the right, pivot ending on the left, and then a run, run, run. So that's the last 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. Last 8. Starts with our heel to the front. Right heel to the front, right toe to the back, half turn, and in with our weight on the left, right pivot, weight on left, and then a right, left, right. Okay, let's put that together. From the top, start with our 2 and then 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2. With words, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step back, step together, step back, step together, step behind, side, cross, left, behind, side, cross, step, touch, rolling grapevine, 2, 3, 4, and a grapevine, 2, 3, 4, and a heel and a toe and a little half turn and a pivot turn and a run, run, run. Okay, with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. On your last 8, just touch it because you're going to have to go to the right again. So touch it or just know you're going to have to pick it up again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so your right foot's ready to go again. Okay, that's Chicken Fried. Great American song. Come back.